hey, let me show you the best features of the Creative Zen Hybrid wireless headphones. So first of all, I want to mention that you can use these headphones by the wireless method, but also wired. So in the box, you can actually find the two cables. You can actually get, you will actually receive the headphone jack cable, but also we can connect them by using the USB-C cable. So we've got actually two wired method to use this device. So for sure it works with your PC, with your TV, or for example with your game console. And now let's move to some controls. Or maybe first we are going to start from the noise cancellation. So if you want to turn on or turn off the noise cancellation, all you have to do is just to click on the A and C button. But also we can actually activate the ambient mode by quickly double tapping the A and C button. Next, we can also control some playback of our media, like for example, if you are using the YouTube Music or Spotify, by using this power button. When you are playing some media, you can play and pause by clicking once on this power button. When you click and hold it for 2 seconds, you will actually activate the Google Assistant or the Siri. And now, when you take a look for the volume buttons, that's right, really obvious that with these buttons we can actually adjust the volume level of our media playback, but also we can skip songs. So when you hold this plus button for 2 seconds, you will actually turn the next song. When you do this for the volume down button, also for 2 seconds, you will turn the previous song. And now we are going for some call settings. When you've got the call on the way, you can actually accept this call or reject call by clicking on this button. Just clicking once on the power button. And to reject the call, you have to click and hold it for 2 seconds. And if you want to switch the call, you have to click on the power button 2 times. And this is basically it. That's like all the features that you can use in the Creative Zen Hybrid. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel.